Look at this screen. I built this chatbot app just last night. It runs completely for free using the Gemini API. You might ask, how do I put AI in my own app? Is it expensive? It costs zero. Today, we will see the steps to generate a Gemini API key. This is the simple way I use AI in my apps. Totally free. Very simple. Just watch the magic. Ready? To work with AI, you first need help from Google AI Studio. Open your browser. Search for AI Studio. Click the first link. Do not worry about the interface. Many options, just ignore them. Only make sure your Gmail account is logged in. That is it. The first step of the setup is done. Now for the real work. Now look at the left side of the screen. You will see a sidebar. It says Get API Key right there. This is your main control room. Just click it once. Do not worry. The page may take a second or two to load. If your internet is fine, it will open right away. We are now in the dashboard where your Gemini API key will be made. See that button? It says Create API Key. Click that. A small pop-up will appear. It will ask you to select a cloud project. You can pick an old project or make a new one. I usually use my default project. Be careful with this step so you do not generate a key in the wrong project. A few seconds after you pick the project, a strange string of characters will appear on the screen. This is your Gemini API key. Click the copy icon next to it and save it in a safe place now. Also, you can delete this key or create new ones if you want. I like to use separate keys for different apps. It makes tracking much easier. Do you think we are done? No. Here is the most important tip. Do not ever paste this key directly into your code and make it public. That is a big mistake. If someone else gets your key, they can use up your quota. If you are a developer or just starting out, AI Studio has many useful things. You can copy ready code snippets from here and put them in your app. This removes the stress of many configurations. Truly, using the Gemini API is so easy that starting is the biggest step. I say go try it now. Zero cost. Full power. So that was the easiest way to get your Gemini API key. I hope you are not afraid of putting AI in your apps anymore. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel. As the PC error detective, I always try to explain tech topics in simple language. If you get stuck, tell me in the comments. I will try to reply. Stay well and keep building new things with AI. See you in the next video.